Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video the child tax credit along with the additional child tax credit, which is Form 8812, and how they work together hand in hand for clients who qualify for both credits on their tax return. So I've been in this industry for the last 18 years, the last 12 as a business owner. So I specialize in helping individuals who work in tax firms to position themselves from working for a company to being their own tax company. And that's what I specialize in doing. I also have a partnership program for people who want to get started without having to go through set up their own tax service themselves, but being able to partner with an existing company and get to learn how to operate a tax service hands-on by working with someone who's already been in the industry for a considerable amount of time. I've been just doing this for the last 18 years, the last 12 as a business owner, and so that's what I bring to the table for us, specializing in helping individuals start their own tax business, from moving from employee to boss. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so every time I go live or do uploads, you'll be notified. You get to follow me on my journey. I have different titles and different topics of videos that you can check out for yourself. They're basic videos on different topics. It's nothing in-depth at all. If you want more in-depth information and learning, you have two options. You can go out there and research it yourself and study and find out, or you can connect it and partner and work with me to get started and find out what it's going to take to start your own tax business and if it's right for you. So let's get started with the topic, which is child tax credit and additional child tax credit, which is Form 8812. Child tax credit is actually a worksheet you use to see what type of amount you will qualify for. But for sake of time, we just gonna make it plain and simple. We're gonna use a single parent with 2 children under 17. They qualify for the child tax credit, which is a total of $4,000. Costs $2,000 for each child. They generated $45,000 in income. They had standard deduction had a household amount of $18,000, which left them with $31,500 as an AGI. And say, for the sake of example, the taxes on that was $3,300. So now they have $3,300, but now they have a credit that they qualify for. And so when it comes to credits, these are non-refundable credits, so they just gonna give you what you need when it comes to reducing your tax liability. So since you owe $3,300 and you have 2 credits, 2 children who qualify for $2,000 apiece, which is a total of $4,000, then we're gonna give you $3,300 in credit to offset the tax you owe. Now you break even, you don't owe anything at all, and now you say to yourself, okay, you had $4,000 child tax credit coming, but the situation was you couldn't use it all because the taxes you owe was only $3,300. And so what we do now, we go to the 8812, which is the additional child tax credit, and we fill that out. And normally you will receive the balance of that, which will be $700, which is left over out of the $4,000 of total credit that you qualify for but couldn't use up at the top. It's generally how that go. I'm oversimplifying that, but for people who are already in the industry, you should have a good idea of how that works. If you're new to this and you're doing your research and you're learning and you're checking videos out, then as you stay in this industry and you keep learning and growing, you'll come to understand what I'm talking about when it comes to this video. So like I say, the child tax credit, the additional child tax credit, which is Form 8812, they work hand in hand together. And so this video was just simply showing the correlation between how they got the additional child tax credit as well as the child tax credit on the tax return, which allowed them to not owe any taxes at all and get back a refund based on how much federal taxes were taken out, based on if they qualified for EIC at all, and additional tax credit, and anything else that may be applicable, which all comes together to generate a possible tax refund. That's how that works. So if you're looking to get started and you're not sure what that's going to take or what that's going to look like, just reach out to me and we can do a Zoom call. We can discuss whatever questions or concerns you may have about getting started in the industry. I can give you a laid out game plan to get you started on your way just in case you're not ready to really get started, but you want to start get prepared for having your own tax business. I can help you with that free of charge on a 45-minute discovery call, and I'll see you in my next video.